Your Firefox toolbar doesn't have to stay with the default arrangement. Mozilla Firefox gives you the ability to redesign your toolbar by adding the tools you use most, removing unnecessary buttons, and placing everything exactly where you want it. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your toolbar in Mozilla Firefox. If you want to access the customization options quickly, you can right-click an empty area of the toolbar and choose Customize Toolbar. This will open the toolbar editor. Here, Firefox gives you a complete overview of the buttons and features you can place on your toolbar. You can drag and drop items to add them, remove buttons you don't need, or rearrange the order of your toolbar. Available options may include tools such as downloads, history, extensions, print, new private window, zoom controls, sidebar, and other Firefox features. For example, if you download files frequently, adding the Downloads button gives you instant access without opening the menu every time. If you use bookmarks often, placing bookmark-related tools on the toolbar can make navigation much quicker. You can also move the address bar, flexible spaces, and other layout elements to create a cleaner or more personalized browser setup. If you ever want to return to the original layout, simply open the customization screen and select Restore Defaults. Firefox will instantly return the toolbar to its standard arrangement. The best part is that these changes are completely personal, so you can create a simple, minimal toolbar or a feature-packed setup depending on how you browse. You've successfully customized your toolbar in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.